Yes.
Las Vegas.
We have live flat beds. Let's see them. Alarm, what is that? These people all disappeared. Oh, hey, it worked. Oh, we're wait. What? Whew. I'm shaking right now. I'm so excited. Wow, this is us.
Yes.
Right here?
Hi there.
Right here?
AC. AC.
Oh, AC.
And for once, I'm gonna have the window.
You're gonna have the window. Nice.
Once in my life. Sorry.
Heck yes. Okay. So we oh shoot. Oh. So is that a little cover for my shoes? Look at this, guys. Look how spacious this is. Mom.
It has to go up. Watch out.
Is there internet? Hope there is.
Need anything out of here?
Stripe length, probably. This is so nice. Wait, is this like a little cubby for your shoes?
For your feet, yeah.
For my shoes?
Right now,
Or
not
do I?
right now.
Okay. Do I have to keep my shoes? So you the window. Ooh, 2 windows. Oh. Look at this. There's a charger.
Yeah, that's mine.
Oh, that's awesome. It's a singles. She has a door that gets to close. That's crazy. But look at that. It has a single room. It's crazy. Look at a double chair.
This is gonna go up. Yep. This has to work here too.
Breakfast menu.
How's your pit? Turn off now.
I will see you guys on the phone.
And bacon?
I'm gonna be with the audio anyway, so.
You know what?
We can talk because I'm gonna mute the audio anyway.
Oh, okay.
Relaxed. And then sleep.
Gently would like to welcome you to Las Vegas, where the local time is 8:38 a.m. For your safety, please keep buckled up and keep carrying up the way until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Please be careful holding overhead bins as items do tend to shift during flight. If you have
Please stand clear of the tram doors.
Ground transportation, ticketing, and eating. Please hold on to a call from boarding area.
This is the final stop. Exit
Baking! Yeah!
ground transportation, ticketing, and eating.
We're going to baggage claim.
Belongings before leaving.
Baggage claim. Oh. Go, 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 go. Guys, we are quickly gonna run to the grocery store, and then we're going home, and that will be the end of our trip, guys. See you guys at home.